Well, it's been a quick minute since my last video, but I'm out in the garage here again today. I'm going to continue taking the engine out of my 40 here. First things first, I've got to lift the truck up a little bit more on the front end so I can get a pail under it, take the coolant out. Then I'm going to disconnect the fuel system, unhook the wiring harness, take the serpentine belt off. Then I'll be able to pull the blower out, put my lift plate on, disconnect from the transmission, the engine mounts, exhaust. I got a lot of work to do anyway, but my hope is that today I'll have the engine out and can at least start ripping and tearing there, have a look and see if there's any damage inside. So I'll get to it. And there it is. So that was most of a day's work. I've got the engine out and on the stand now. I'm probably going to leave it there until I get all my parts in. Cam Motion's still grinding my camshaft. They're about 3 weeks behind on orders right now. I went with Johnson 2110 lifters instead of like the LS7 or the engine techs that I've got in there right now. So hopefully that will be enough of an improvement that I don't run into this issue again. An awful lot of work to get in there just to change those. but taking the valley cover off, I couldn't really see any worn out lobes or anything that scared me that way, the ones you can see on these Gen 4 blocks. So that makes me feel good about that. Nothing too scary yet. So yeah, like I said, I'll leave everything together for now, and once I get my parts, I'll slap everything back in there, make a video for that, and go to reassemble everything. So once again, I'd like to thank you guys for stopping by and checking out my channel, small as it is, but appreciate it all the same. So you guys have yourself a good day.